How to make a concrete heart. A concrete heart shape can make a unique stepping stone for your garden, a pretty accent piece for your fireplace hearth, or an elegant doorstop. While you can purchase novelty concrete stepping stones, you can easily make your own heart-shaped piece. Using a sturdy heart-shaped cake pan from a discount department store or cookware retailer, you can make a concrete heart for your yard, garden, fireplace hearth, or as a gift. Things you'll need: ready-to-use concrete mix, water, trowel, bucket, heart-shaped cake pan, safflower or canola oil, paintbrush, paper towel, plastic wrap. Instructions: grease the heart-shaped cake pan. Stepping stone manufacturer Garden Molds refers to this lubrication as mold release and suggests using safflower or canola oil. The company website, gardenmolds.com, instructs painting the inner surface with the oil, then using paper towel to remove any excess. Combine the ready-to-use concrete mix with water in a bucket. Follow the instructions on the bag for measurements. Garden Molds recommends adding the water slowly until the material reaches the thick consistency of brownie or muffin batter. Mix well each time water is added. Fill the cake pan halfway with concrete. Shake the pan to remove air bubbles. Completely fill the pan and shake it again. Cover the cake pan with plastic wrap and store in a cool place. Allow the concrete to set for 2 days before removing the heart from the mold.